In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert a PNG image into a vector graphic in Figma so you can scale and edit it more easily. Start by opening your Figma file and importing the PNG image you want to convert. Once the image is on your canvas, click on it to select it. Next, open the Actions menu and go to Plugins. In the plugin search bar, type Image Tracer and install the plugin if you haven't used it before. After the plugin is installed, select your PNG image again and launch the Image Tracer plugin. Inside the plugin window, choose the Trace or Vectorize option. The plugin will analyze your image and convert it into editable vector paths. Wait a few moments for the conversion process to complete. Larger or more detailed images may take a little longer. Once finished, a new vector version of your image will appear on the canvas. You can now move, resize, recolor, and edit the vector without losing quality. If needed, ungroup the vector layers to edit individual shapes and paths. For the best results, use high-quality PNG files with clear edges and strong contrast, as they typically produce cleaner vector traces. And that's it! You've successfully converted a PNG image into a vector graphic in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.